here again. I'm gonna play all your videos. Sir Alex, my angel is in your channel. Kabsat Melda Dumlao, mega mag-love shout out to you. Nandyan pa ang aking angel sa'yo. Yes, I miss YT everyone. It's 12:41 in the afternoon here in Abra, in the Philippines. I miss you all. I've been back. I'm sorry. I've been in a seminar. I just came rather from the seminar in Baguio City. We had 3 days seminar in Baguio City, so I was not able to do live streaming for 3 days. Yeah, even a night, because we had no stable Wi-Fi in our accommodation that was provided by our state university. And I'm here. I'm gonna play all your videos. Alright everyone, just comment, just leave a message, just leave a comment down in the comment section, and I'm gonna play your video. Yeah, I just want you to like. If you have time, if you have time, please like this video. All right, thank you so much everyone. I miss you all. Ang klima ngayon sa Abra guys, mainit kasi katatapos lang ng sunod-sunod na bagyo. Mainit naman ngayon. Ito po yung piniplay ko. Ang piniplay ko ngayon, ayan. Sir Marsan, Sir Alex, I'm in your channel now, Sir Alex. Thank you so much, Sir Alex. I'm in your channel now, Sir Alex Marsan. Dan harang na pala, Sir Alex. 16 thumbs up from me. Alright. Thank you so much, Sir Alex. Bibigyan kita ng moderator, Sir Alex Marsan. Nasa iyo yung isang angel ko. 4 days. 4 days po ako hindi nakapag live stream. Ayan, kayo namimiss ko kayong lahat. Thank you so much. Kabsat Melda, hello. Hello, Kabsat. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat. Thank you to the 5 amazing friends who are tuning in today to my live stream. Thank you very much. I miss doing this live streaming. Thank you so much for all the support. Thank you so much. Sir Alex, hindi. Nakauwi na ako. Nakauwi na po. Nakauwi na po kagabi. Nag-seminar po ako ng 3 days, Sir Alex. Nakauwi na ako kagabi. Alas 11 na, napagod ako. Nahilo sa biyahe kasi nagbus kami. Sigsag. Ang pababa ng Baguio, sigsag. Tapos paakyat ng Abra, sigsag. Yung sa may bago mag-tunnel, may sigsag na area doon. Nahilo ako. Kaya ito, ngayon lang, kagabi hindi ko na nahabol kasi nagpahinga na talaga ako kahapon. Hindi ko na nahabol ang pag live stream.